dumating yung Shopee ko today.
You woke up in my bed. Oops, we broke up. We're better off as
Okay.
friends. Now I accidentally
Unboxing my gate padlock alarm. Gate padlock alarm ito. So, tingnan natin ito. Yan ha. So, tigas mga kabrad. Open din. Here we go. Anyway, this one is sticker talaga.